Alright, so about to hit a quick workout session in the garage. We're gonna try to get my boy in the gym. He doesn't have a membership here, so we'll see.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
We'll see, but we'll figure it out. Hopefully we can get there and record some clips of us working out. But, I gotta take the car, I have to show him. Unfortunately, it's crazy dirty. So maybe not the best day to record a car, but maybe we'll go wash the car afterwards. But this is what it's like to live in Montreal with the snow and everything. You're kind of you're stuck with the situation, but we'll get the car cleaned. So, what are your thoughts on the AMG?
The AMG, I kind of take it back that it's a real AMG.
Yeah, people they like to say it's a fake AMG because it's a C43. But I needed all-wheel drive, so I'm not complaining. But anyways, we'll see each other at the gym. Alright boys, just finished the workout.
Yes sir.
Good pump, good everything. While we were working out, we kind of were talking and everything. And although I know the story, I think it'd be very interesting for Praveen, since he was one of the first students I've ever mentored, and now he has a very successful agency, to sort of share his journey as to how he started, how he signed his first client. So
yeah, so how I signed my first client. Guys, all it is you have to be consistent. Every day you have to put in the calls. I was doing, when I first joined Oliver's program, and when I actually started taking it seriously, I was doing 90 calls, 100 calls per day. And out of that, I was offering crazy offers. I was doing, rev share. When you guys first sign your first couple of clients, to get case studies, to get confidence in yourself, you guys should offer trials or percentage-based offers so you can get the ball rolling. Then you can upsell them to hey, we've worked for a month, let's do a retainer. So I would say if you guys want to sign your first couple of clients, do a 30-day trial or a performance-based offer.
what was the outreach method you used?
And I did cold calling, and I did the power dialer. So cold calling, and then for the people that miscalled, I sent them a voicemail, a text, and an email. Okay. So I got a lot of bookings from that as well.
Okay, and why do you think cold calling worked for you when most people will say oh, I cold call every day, but somehow I'm not able to sign clients?
Yeah, so number one is you guys are not doing enough. People say, oh, I'm doing 10 per day, 20 per day, and you guys are not gonna get anything 10 per day, 20 per day. You guys gotta do 100 per day so you can get at least one appointment or one lead. That's the main thing. The reason why most people give up cold calling is because one person cussed at them, and then they just get so demotivated. That's number one.
No, I think it's easy when you cold call. One day you'll be super motivated, you'll cold call maybe 40, 50 businesses. But what really separates someone who's gonna make it with cold calling versus someone who isn't is just being able to do it every day despite sort of the outcome of it.
Yeah,
exactly. If you have a shit day, if you don't book meetings, you keep doing it every day. And 90% of you guys would sign your first client if you just did your consistent outreach every day.
Yeah.
If you did it every day for a couple of months, you would make money. You are gonna be somewhat in a good situation. The reality is that most of you guys will just give up, and that's the problem.
Yeah. And you guys don't need to do cold calling for for the rest of your life. Once you sign 2 clients and you get that money, Oliver, what do you do with that?
Put it into ads.
Put it into ads. Then you scale that agency to what? 10K per month.
Exactly. Cold calling, cold email, all of these things, they work great, but you shouldn't view it as the end goal. It's just to get the ball rolling. You sign a couple of clients, and once you have money, then with money, there's so much you can do with it that you're not going to be stuck your entire life cold calling. Yeah, that was an interesting insight. We're going to go grab some food, and then afterwards maybe we'll finish with a little outro on what we're going to do the rest of the day and sort of what the game plan for the next couple of months will be with our business. Come on.
Hello?
You have reached the voicemail box of...
So yeah, as you guys can see, that's the reality of cold calling. Most of the times there's no pickups and stuff like that, but Praveen, show you your list.
This is my list.
So as you can see, cold calling, you make yourself a huge list and you don't stop until you get your points.
Yeah.
This is my calendar. As you can see, pack my calls.
See, look, so guys, look at this. See, look, like $50 straight, no appointment, no appointment. Then the other 50, I got 2 later at the first 10. That's how it is.